Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an HSBC Bank checking and saving account online in 2023. HSBC Bank is a global banking and financial service institution known for its wide range of banking products. By following the steps of this tutorial, you'll be able to open your HSBC checking and saving account conveniently from the comfort of your home. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Of course, first you will have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, you can simply go and visit the HSBC website or bank website. By going to this URL section, simply type hsbc.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or main screen of the HSBC bank account, or home screen or main screen of the bank account or bank website, sorry. So as you can see, cookies on this website, you may read all of those if you want to and simply accept all the cookies. If you don't want to accept all, you can simply click on manage cookies. For me, I'm just going to accept, and here we are. So if you don't know much about this bank, you can simply scroll down and read all more information about it, or you can simply go to who we are, and of course you'll be able to read more information about it, because a lot of people will not trust like a random bank to open their account. If you are hesitating opening your account in this bank, you can simply go and read more information about it in the main screen or on who we are inside, investors, news and media, careers. You'll be able to see a lot of stuff here in this page. And then, of course, you'll have to explore like personal banking options. So go to online banking as example, and of course, we will have to go and select personal banking as example. So if you click on it, as you can see, you'll find personal banking, business banking, corporate and institutional banking, private banking. For us, personal banking, and selects the type or selects or type location. Simply, we have Hong Kong, UK, USA. For me, I'm just going to choose USA. Of course, you can select this. You remember me, so you can always, when you go back to this home screen, always they will take you to the website that they are taking you now, which is this one. As you can see, us.hsbc.com directly. So this one is not useful at the moment. Of course, you can go for Hong Kong as an example, for another thing like UK. And as you can see, depending on whatever you choose, you will find like another website depending on your place. So I'm just going to close those, and let's just make sure this is USA. So click on go again. And yeah, here we are. So of course, if you have an account already, maybe you have like an account here or there, you can simply go and log into it. So when you are applying for your checking and saving account, you will not take a lot of time doing that. So you can simply click on login, and you'll have to log in into your account, as simple as that. If you don't have an account, you can always go and click on register. And of course, you'll have to go through these steps, which is terms and conditions, verify identity, create a logon, choose security question, choose security device, and confirmation. It should not be that hard, so you can go and do it by your own. And of course, as I said, if you don't know much about this HSBC account, you can scroll or bank account, you can scroll down and read more information about it. Of course, especially here in the US. So now, what we'll have to do, of course, is just go to banking as example and go to products here. Go and open a new tab in checking and a new tab on saving. Of course, by just simply right click, then click on open link new tab. So as we said, we will open an account on checking and even saving. So here, as you can see, if you click on checking, you will find this page right here. So you will find like some international banking options or simply the premier option. So if you scroll down, of course, you'll need or you'll find here more information. So for us, I'm just going for the premier option. And here, as you can see, you can simply check the eligibility to apply for this bank first. So if you click on it, of course, as you can see, you'll find this is the requirements. So things to know, qualifying criteria. You'll need to have at least one of the following. So you don't need to have them all. You just need to have just one of the following. So at least 75 grants in total deposit and or investments, or at least 500 or 5,000 or 5 grand in total direct deposits per month, or a US resident shall mortgage loan with an original loan amount of at least 500 grants. You must also, of course, those you'll need to have them both. So be at least 18 years old and be currently located in one of these countries. Of course, you can see the countries here. So as you can see, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Belgium, Bermuda, and a lot of other countries that you'll be able to find here. So if you're not in one of those, you'll not be able to create your saving account or even checking account. So here, what you may need to apply. Of course, you'll need those here. So some of the things you may ask for include your personal employment, income and tax details, proof of identity such as your passports valid for at least 6 months, proof of your permanent address such as bank statement or utility bill, if a student's proof of enrollment. And of course, the important document that you need to know is just this HSBC premium TCS. And of course, you'll have to go and read all of that if you want to open your checking account. So if you are, or if you have this one of this criteria and both of those, and everything is good for you, you can simply go and click on apply online, or you can even log in to apply if you want to. As an example, if you already have an account. So where are you currently located? Simply choose your location here. So as an example, I'm just looking for the United States. I'm just going United States, and of course, as an example, have a social number here. You apply yes, and of course, you'll have to simply. So let's just not go through all of this. You'll have to simply provide them with your personal information. After this step, you'll have to complete your identity verification, then simply review and accept the terms and condition. Once you do so, you will normally have your account in 2 or 3 days maximum. And then you'll be able to find your account and access the online banking and do a lot of stuff. So let's just quit this check-in and let's go to saving. So as you can see, we have the premium relationship saving, and we have the premium saving and certificate of deposit. So you can view whatever suits you as an example. And once you're done, of course, you can always choose whatever suits you. And here, get rewarded with a better saving rate, earn a higher relationship for 0.15% API when you link an eligible premium checking account and meets one of the 4 eligibility criteria. So the criteria is going to be one of those, as you can see. You just need one of these to qualify for the relationship API each month. So spend $500 on your debit card or receive 5,000 in direct deposits, have 500,000 mortgage, or hold HSBC Premium Elite customer status. Of course, you will be able to read the description of everything here. And if you qualify for one of those, you can simply go scroll down and click on how to apply, sign in, and you'll have to sign into your account and you'll be able to sign in and you'll be good to go. Of course, if you already have like your checking account, you'll have an account. So simply have to enter your credentials here and you'll have your saving accounts also, as simple as that. So that concludes our tutorial on how to create an HSBC bank checking and saving account online in 2023. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with the HSBC bank accounts. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and stay informed about HSBC Bank latest offering and updates. So thank you for watching and wish you all the best with your new account or bank accounts, checking and saving accounts. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.